Hey guys, this is Charlie RC Racing, and today Hey guys, this is Charlie RC Racing, and today I am going to be replacing my broken servo with a new Red Cat Racing servo. So, I guess you could call this an unboxing, but not really. Okay, let's get started. I got this from my local hobby shop. They sell a lot of Red Cat and Traxxas stuff, so. Okay, it's actually identical to the servo I had before, so yeah. So let's get to the install. So the servo is going to go right here, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to be installing that. These are the screws. So, on my other servo, the main gear broke inside, so I just decided to get another one. It's held in with 4 just regular screws, and the servo itself is connected to the servo saver with a smaller screw. So right now I'm just putting in the 4 screws to hold the servo on. It's pretty tricky on the one side because the wheel gets in the way. But that's why when I do this servo, I use a smaller screwdriver like this. And magnetic ones help a lot too. There we go. Last one. Trying to get it in this last place. And there we go. Tighten that. Tighten that. And each one a little bit more. It's in there pretty good. Okay. Now when you're reattaching the servo arm, you want to make sure you get a pretty good 90-degree angle. That will help out later. And the thing that I mean to get 90 degrees is this little arm right here. You want that to be a 90-degree angle with the thing it attaches to the servo with. So okay, so that's in. And this uses a smaller screw. So we'll get that in. Oh, dropped it. This one you don't want to do too tight or not tight enough, so just get it so it's snug. Okay, there we go. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is get our ESC. And this is where we're just going to make sure it works. So put the ESC where it goes. Power button over there. And we get the receiver too. So receiver, just like that, it has 3 channels and a VCC plug. So you're going to want to plug in your servo cable to channel 1. Okay. And then the ESC cable into channel 2. And if you have a fan for your ESC, that will go into the VCC cable. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is hook up your battery to your ESC cable. Okay, now that that's all hooked up, you want to plug in your motor. So everything is hooked up, okay? So now the next thing you're going to want to do is get your controller and turn that on. Always turn on your controller first. And then hit the on button. Now the servo will go into its neutral state, which is as straight as it will go. So let's just see. Looks pretty good. Okay, this is slow as it'll go. It is a little chattery, but that's okay. We're not going to be in the car when we're driving it. And pretty fast. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is power down, unplug your battery, and unplug everything from the receiver. And that's how you install your new servo. Thanks for watching.